Nadine,
I'm Gail,
and we are sisters.
and partners in Gail's Worry-Free Baking.
We have developed some gluten-free baking mixes. All of our mixes are egg-free, dairy-free, soy-free, nut-free, as well as gluten-free. And they're all made with certified organic ingredients. How we came about this took many, many years on Gail's part to develop a flour that would result in a really good product. Your story.
Our mother is a professional baker, so we always had cakes and pies and cookies and treats around, and I have a huge sweet tooth. So in my early 20s, when I was diagnosed, I couldn't have those things anymore because of food allergies. I was very sad. And I just yearned for them and I craved them, but if I ate them, I was not feeling well. Growing up, I always had stomach problems and aches and pains throughout my body, and the doctors could never find any reason why, so that was just became life for me. But then when my oldest daughter was diagnosed with food allergies and one of them was to cane sugar, I didn't want to take treats away from her and let her brothers and sisters and other people in the family eat those kinds of treats in front of her, so I took the whole family off of all the dairy and the wheat and the sugar, and discovered that my aches and pains and stomach issues went away. So then it was a number of years of experimenting and trying to get back those tastes, those flavors, those textures that I loved and grew up with. Tonight, I'm going to make a pumpkin spice muffin mix and show you how it works.
And a lot of people ask what the ingredients are in her flour, and I think when she started out she didn't realize it was going to be organic, but once she got all her products in, they turned out to all be certified organic. So her flour blend is made of organic arrowroot flour, organic chickpea flour, organic white rice flour, organic millet flour, organic green lentil flour, and organic tapioca flour. So those are the flours that are in her mix, plus it has a little bit of baking powder and xanthan gum in her flour blend. We're going to make our pumpkin spice muffins in vegan, so there's no animal product in it. So instead of using eggs, we will be using a tablespoon of ground chia seeds for each egg. So 2 eggs
And 3
tablespoons per egg. So this is 6 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of ground chia seeds will equal 2 eggs.
And then we need melted coconut oil, half a cup. 1 3/4 cups pumpkin puree. Not pumpkin spice, but pumpkin puree.
Okay, we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then we will put in our pumpkin spice muffin mix. Now, Gail, because she's allergic to cane sugar, we use organic coconut sugar in all of our baking mixes.
And it's a more healthy alternative because it has a lower glycemic index, which you are very concerned about if you're diabetic. But it also gets absorbed into the body slower, so you don't get that sugar high and then a drop. And it has vitamins and minerals and fiber in it, so it's a much healthier choice for people who want to eat sweets and treats.
We used to use paper cupcake liners for our mixes, for our cupcakes or our muffins and things. And then we discovered that the parchment paper liners, they don't stick to the cookie and then or the muffin, and it pulls off really easy. It's easy to break apart and enjoy your muffin. The paper liners, when you took it apart, half of your muffin was stuck to the paper liner. So now we always use these parchment paper liners for our muffins. and parchment paper on our cookie sheets when we're making cookies. We had an interesting experience when we first started. One of the lady came up to our, we were doing a farmer's market, and she came up to our booth and she said, gluten-free items never rise. They always stay flat. They don't rise or puff up. So we will see what happens. If you see us at a market or a farmer's market or a trade show, please come and say hi. We'd be very happy to meet you.
And try our samples because they are
Oh, we bring
delicious.
samples for everything. It's great. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.